Assalamu alaikum. Honorable Chairman, respected teachers, and my beloved friends. On this auspicious occasion, I am very glad to meet you. I don't know how to express my heartful thanks for you. First of all, I praise Almighty Allah who blessed me with this golden chance. Dear brothers and sisters, now we are celebrating the birthday of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I think it will be better to share some of my thoughts about him and his attractive character. Dears, why do we celebrate the birthday of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? But that we can say that's our obligation to do so, because if he was not sent, what would be our condition? Yes, that's Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent the society were the three things essential: wine, war, and woman. Within 23 years, he made them the leaders and the winners of the both world. Here, let us get ready to follow the path of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and we should love him as he says. May Allah bless us all. I want to conclude my short speech. Assalamu alaikum.
രണ്ടാം ക്ലാസ്